Did you know that asbestos-related diseases still cause around 5,000 deaths every year in the UK, according to HSE estimates? Despite being banned, asbestos remains present in many older buildings across the UK, meaning workers in construction, maintenance and refurbishment are still at serious risk if they are not properly trained. At Essential Safety Training, our CPD-certified asbestos awareness courses are crafted to help individuals understand where asbestos may be found, how exposure risks occur, and how to work safely in environments where it may be present. The training is fully aligned with UK regulations and workplace safety standards. We are trusted by thousands of UK organisations with our expert-led, fully online and flexible learning, which allows individuals and teams to complete training without disrupting work schedules. Not only that, learners also receive a free digital certificate to demonstrate compliance and awareness. Stay compliant, stay protected, stay safe. Explore asbestos awareness courses from Essential Safety Training.